And again, more of the fans here at the Field Sports Arena taking in the action. And you can see that they already have the uniforms too, huh?
And you know, these are like, you know, in attendance are actually people young and old.
Right.
Different generations as well enjoying this match.
Because we are watching different generations of volleyball from these teams. April Jose. Gata. Makatuno. Combination for Pao Soriano. That's an Adamson play.
Well executed play. This is exactly a good example of getting the middle blocker of your opponent to commit to the first one who's you know, taking on that approach.
Oh, Morada hesitating that time.
What is happening to the Puffin? They seem to be stunned and dumbfounded of you know, everything that's just happening here on the side of
Michelle
PLDT.
Gumabao has not really made any noise here in the third set as well. Here's Morada. Laborte. Makatuno now for Pao Soriano, and Pao Soriano gets hit the line.
And you know, judging from how the PLDT speed boosters are moving, it seems that they are in control of the set.
So now Michelle Gumabao takes a seat. Giza Yumang, we were talking about her earlier, former captain of the College of St. Benilde. In fact, their #1 scorer is in the ball game for the first time as Benting goes long. Most of Angela Benting's errors have been long today instead of short. Yeah, sabi mo, gigil.
Too much power.
Yeah. Oh, gigil. Pwede rin eh.
Gigil.
19-13. Laborte. Dawis. Makatuno. Soriano again.
Soriano is on fire.
Right, in this set. Pao Soriano has decided to take over.
The blockers of Bingo Millonarios can't seem to get a good read on her offense.
And the blockers up front now for Bingo Millonario getting smaller and smaller, which will favor any middle attack coming from Pao Soriano. Lucette Dawis on the serve. Cher Peñano. April Jose. Giza Yumang. Here is the setup now for Vargas. Jose Morada. FEU connection does not work that time. Makatuno. Jose. Quick pivot now for Morada. Gata Pantone. Going to Vargas. Long rally. Jose on her knees. Giza Yumang out of position. Pao Soriano. Peñano. Jose. Remulla. Makatuno. Soriano. Still alive. Giza Yumang. Morada off the net, and Morada scores.
You know, I think Bingo Millonarios is having a difficult time in setting up the balls. April Jose, I just noticed every time she would set the ball, she would have to kneel on the floor because the ball is given to her so low.
Right. But you can see also the reaction there of Leslie at Gata Pantone. It's that ay mali moment. Makatuno rather. And there is a check ball against Giza Yumang. I like the hairdo of Giza Yumang, by the way. I've never seen it that curly before. Pao Soriano, 21-14. It's all PLDT MyDSL so far here in set number 3. Patrona on the combination. Tries to angle it, but the net got in the way. 22-14. 8-point lead. Very mighty advantage now for the speed boosters of PLDT MyDSL.
Well, somebody on the side of Bingo Millonario has to step up because that's something that we see here in PLDT. We see Pao Soriano really stepping up and, you know, bringing in those points.
Oh, bad read there by Maika Morada. That was a floater. It was dropping from the sky. And now it's a 9-point lead for PLDT MyDSL.
Soriano still on the serving line.
Pao Soriano once again. Peñano, Jose, Remulla with the left hand. Makatuno. Oh, that is a no-no there. Makatuno could not find Eulalio, and Ivy just puts it away.
Set was actually going over the other side.
And here is the cameo duo again for Francis Vicente as Despatilano and Chamoralde check in for Dawis and Makatuno. So Giza Yumang, remember the mighty St. Benilde squad about 5 years ago where she was the captain of. Here's Moralde. Into the face there on the block by Ivy, going to Eulalio. Ivy on offense. Moralde. Vargas, what an attack, but...
I thought she put it away,
yeah,
but
it's
she
a net
touched the
violation.
net.
That's a sorry error there. Vargas, look at all the power she has generated on this one. But the follow-through point goes into the net. 23-16, timeout here for PLDT MyDSL. They have a 7-point lead at 23-16. Here's Ronald Dulay. Looks like he's already breaking his huddle. So the Puffins trying to look for another gear to go to. If you notice also that Chi Sayed has not returned into the game, Stephanie Mercado has not returned into the game, Maureen Penetrante Oaño has not returned into the game. So looks like Coach Ronald Dulay is trying to really look for that combination where Francis Vicente looks like he's found it. But Luan Latigay has not played since the first set. Look at that. She has an ice pack on her shoulder already.
And I think I remember her having that injury from way back. So it's difficult, of course, to force that.
Well, she works as an executive assistant in PLDT right now, so she has job security. That's for sure. 23-16.
We still have number 12.
Gisa Yumang
Serving for Bingo.
to put it in play. And Philip Sison looking if everything is okay already from his partner Efren Ga on the floor, who's still looking over at the side of the table officials. And the all clear has been given. So Gisa Yumang, 2 points away from claiming the third set is PLDT MyDSL. Eulalio, and the block goes out from Ivy Remulla.
All these errors and all things going right on the part of the Speed Boosters.
For 24-16, 8 set points in front of PLDT MyDSL. Rosemary Vargas, Peñano, Jose, running attack, Ivy Remulla. Hindi ko sana Remulla.
Almost, I heard that.
Oh, and Benting is denied by the net and the presence of Ate Ivy. So 24-17. And now Ivy will serve. Laborte back in front. Let's see if they can claw back from 7 down.
It's going to be difficult. Everything that they will do from this point on has to be perfect.
Right. Starting out with that good serve from Ivy. Vargas. This is a free ball given up by Benting. Morada. Jose. Patrona adjusting. Patrona scoring.
No defense there for PLDT.
So 24-18. So that's 1 point back. 6 set points still facing Bingo Millonario. Ivy Remulla once again. Another good one. Gata Pantone. Despatilano now. Trying to push is Cha Moralde. Here's Benting. Here's Iris Patrona. And Patrona will find the line again. And Listy Gata Pantone cannot believe what happened.
Well, it was where Patrona got that point earlier. Patrona sent the ball there again, but Pantone was probably wondering why she wasn't able to adjust.
Well, that's 2 points back. Make that 3 points back, actually. So it's 24-19. Ivy once again. Listy with a better reception, but a bad setup there. It was a quick set for Eulalio. Eulalio looked like it was going to be a differential or something.
Substitution, PLDT.
But I must say is really giving a lot of good service reception, making it easy for Makatuno to set the ball.
I think this substitution will be disallowed. So now only one substitution is allowed. 2 setters are now in for PLDT MyDSL. Now Chi Sayed. Only 1 substitution is allowed here. It has to be the correct substitution. Alright? So, Bingo Millonario executed their substitution correctly because Penetrante is allowed in, Chi Sayed is allowed in, Luzette Dawis is not allowed in for PLDT MyDSL.
Now, PLDT has to adjust in terms of their position, having 2 setters on the floor.
That's like a high school thing, a 4-2 position. Makatuno now, going to Benting, who hits it way below the net. And now, Luzette Dawis will be allowed to come in, replacing Despatilano.
Number 12, 6, Dawis in.
Francis Vicente is not happy with the turn of events. He had 8 set points. It is down to just 3. Saet. Gata Pantone. Makatuno. Back set. Benting. And Benting misses again.
Oh, it seems like the Puffins are lucky with all these errors being committed by the Speed Boosters.
At 6 straight points now coming from Bingo Millonario facing set point. Timeout, Francis Vicente.
Hanggang saan yan kanina? Ang baba. Bakit? Because you are relaxing, you don't want to finish the game. Eh, papalo kayo? Outside. Sabi ko sa inyo, padaanin nyo sa blocker. Ang diferensya lang naman may setter kayo, meron kayo lahat. Yung setter natin pinapasok, ang dami mong gimmick sa kamay. Simplihan mo lang. Okay, anong play? Sino nasa harap? Oh, quick mo, quick.
Kanina pa nila sinusubukan yung quick, it hasn't been connecting.
Pero tama rin si Coach Francis, right? He just wants to keep it simple, really.
Right.
They're just 1 point away from closing out this set. They don't need any fancy plays. What they need is a sure point.
Chi Saet is the insurance policy on her serve. Just double set point. Earlier it was 8 set points. Another nice one there coming from Chi Saet. May Makatuno now. Benting blocked by Patrona. Here's Lucette Dawis. Finally they get it done. It was a 24-16 lead earlier, and the third set ends 25-22. Good rally by Bingo Millonario, but it just wasn't enough. So now it's a 2-1 lead for PLDT My DSL against Bingo Millonario, 25-22 in this set. Third set is done. Fourth set when we return.